Good morning, top of the morning, detail world. It's a little cold out here right now. It's like 37 degrees. I already started on this side of the car, already started on the wheels and got the road grime off on the bottom. But we out here in Brentwood, Tennessee. It's a beautiful day out here. I think the high supposed to be like 42 degrees, but like I say, right now it's like 30 something. If you look, the sky is very clear, always.
It would turn into sunshine.
Gotta clean my work van, man. Be clean my baby up, but yeah, we right here doing this Cadillac Escalade. Really already in the inside like usual. Hey, doggies. Yes, sir. Okay.
Hey, the heat, man.
Yes, sir. You too, man. I appreciate that word, man. Thank you. He called me asking me, can he leave me a Bible quote. I let him say it, and then it seemed like he got annoyed because I wasn't talking back to him. Like, dude, you called me asking me, could you do something?
Hey, how you turn the heat up, man?
All right, hold on. Give me 1 minute.
Where you gonna leave the Bible at the house?
No, he was leaving. He was giving me a Bible quote on the phone. That dog's scared, look. But yeah, that was somebody on the phone, man. He was leaving me a Bible quote from Psalms. But I forgot what he was actually saying because I really wasn't listening, but he said something about Psalms, about the righteous taking over the earth. Psalms 27 something. I gotta go. I don't know, but like I say, we out here in Brentwood. Sorry for the quick delay, but really, you got a word for the day for these people, man?
Hey, the word for the day is compassion. Good morning. Have compassion for your fellow man and have compassion for the work that you do.
Y'all heard it? Have some compassion, man. Have some compassion. Yeah, but y'all have some compassion and hit that subscribe. Definitely hit them likes and be compassionate about leaving a comment. But I'm gonna hurry up and knock out this outside so I can help Rennie in here because like it's a little dog hair in here. I don't know these people, man. They be killing these dogs. And there go the dogs right here, the culprit. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. You know what I mean? Go ahead and knock out this car, like I said, real quick. This Yukon, this is Cadillac Escalade, and I'll catch y'all in a second. Good morning. We just finished this Cadillac Escalade. It's completely done. Seth over there, Rennie, still trying to clean up the rest, but the exterior of the car's nice and clean. The whole, everything, outside, wheels. All the road grime that was right there. So the car is clean. As I say, we're gonna head to the next stop. It's probably about 5 minutes from here. We gotta do a Porsche Cayenne. This Cadillac Escalade, I love this color on here. Like I say, Rennie already knocked out this side. So if you remember, it had all that dog hair in there. So you got the majority of all that up. So doors clean. You know, the doors look a little sturdy. Things like that. That's what keep business going. Seats was a little dirty. Like I say, most cars always got this. My car even starting to do it, but most cars Always got damage on the leather right here because the way people get in and out of their car. A lot of people slide in and out of their car instead of sitting their butt up to get out or sitting their butt down. They actually slide their butt on the seat. So continuously doing that, getting out your car 5 to 6 times a day. You add that up per week, per month, a year, and that's the type of damage that you get, you know. But car's completely done on the inside. I say really just finishing up over there. And you can see it's done here, like I say. Cadillac Escalade, nice and clean. But if anybody interested in getting their car clean, if you're in the Nashville or the greater area, you can always go to my website, yourwaymobilecare.com, or you can Google us at Your Way Car Care, or you can look for us on Instagram at Your Way Mobile. And all right, good afternoon. We out here at the second stop out here in Green Hills. We're about to do this Porsche Cayenne. Definitely black car needs to be waxed. I told her that, but she didn't really, that she'll wait spring, but definitely shouldn't be that dirty inside, but I haven't done it in a while. Smells good in here. Say that much, smells fantastic. Yeah, but it's not that dirty. Basically just the exterior, just basically the exterior of the car dirty. The interior of the car is pretty decent. So like I said, we're gonna go ahead and knock it out and everything, and yeah, I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, good afternoon. We just finished this Porsche Cayenne GTS. We just finished the whole thing in and out, just a maintenance wash. Nothing major. It wasn't really dirty in the inside, so that was a good thing. Outside of these cars are always dirty, especially with the snow they just passed. It's a little salty out here, you know what I mean? So, you know, you can do when it's salt out here on the streets. You know, gotta get that stuff off your car. But like I said, car's clean, in and out. She's definitely gonna be happy about it. I just need to convince her on getting her car waxed. It definitely needs to be waxed. You know, like I say, most cars that are black need to be waxed. Especially when often as these people get their cars cleaned by me, you know, and if they never put a coat of wax on their car, and more and more use those towels and wash, mitts on the car. No matter how clean the mitts is, no matter how new the microfibers are, it will slightly put haze marks on the car. And then they get that car that ashy look. I mean, the car, it has an ashy look, but you really can't tell because of it's not indirectly in the sun. But hey, how y'all doing? But like always, I appreciate everybody checking out the vlog of a detailer's day 46. So we continuously keep going. We ain't gonna stop. Like I said, we just finished that Porsche Cayenne. About to head to the next stop. Got to do this this Benz, and then, you know, gonna keep going. Catch y'all in a second. All right, good afternoon. We out here at the third stop. We're doing this Mercedes-Benz. I don't know what model it is. Let me go ahead and take a look. We're doing this E350 right now. Rennie's already in the inside like normal. You know what I mean? The master technician of the interior. Inside, outside of the car, not that dirty. You know, you see the wheels. These high-end cars definitely get a lot of brake dust. The brake dust be tremendously heavy. But she probably got a little dog hand here. I know she got a little dog. It's an older model car, it's like a 2005, 2008, somewhere in that range. But she kept it up pretty good. She done had this car for over 10 years since I've been doing it. But yeah, we definitely gonna take care of this real quick, knock it out. All right, we just finished this Mercedes-Benz E350. She told me to park it over here for her because she didn't want me blocking the garage. But the car's nice and clean. Actually right here, in and out, the whole 9 yards. So definitely gonna be happy with the car. Like I said, it was just a basic maintenance wash and vac. Nothing special, but like I say, had dog hair, things of that nature. So it's up to par. Definitely up to par. You're definitely gonna be happy about it. So, but other than that, we got everything done. Headed to this next stop, and then we're done for the day. But yeah, like I said, we just finished this Mercedes-Benz 350, and I appreciate everybody like always, man. I'll catch y'all on the next run. All right, good afternoon. We made it to this last stop out here in BELLE, Tennessee. We about to do this CADILLAC ESCALADE. I know we did it last week, but it was just the interior. She didn't want the exterior done because of the snow that was coming. But it shouldn't be that dirty in there, but it probably is because her sons are relentless on getting the car dirty. I noticed that over the years that I've been doing her cars with those little boys. They have no disregard for anything. Like, man, be gum stuck on the windows, gum stuck on the carpet. We ain't even talking about little kids. These boys are probably about 12 years old now. They twins. They've been like this ever since. But you know, but
Look at it like this. Job security.
But I always look at it when you have stuff your whole life. You know, things like this don't mean nothing to you. You know, I have some of my customers tell me they don't ever get their cars clean because their cars like the toaster or the blender and things like that. I'm like, I never say my car's like the toaster or the blender. My car's definitely not a household utensil. My car is used to get me where I need to be. Things like that. I can never say my car like the toaster because the toaster, all it do is toast bread. That's all the toaster do, you know. So, yeah, the car just dry, but your car, you need your car to get to the bread to toast it. But anyway. Good afternoon, we just finished this Escalade right here. It's completely finished. Rennie just finished the interior. I just finished the exterior, just got through doing the windows. Ty shining it up. Windows nice and clean. See right through them, because it's glass. Car's clean. All right, we just finished this last car, this Cadillac Escalade. I'm about to go ahead and park it. This was the last vehicle of the day. It's a beautiful day. Ended up warming up a little bit, got up to like 40-something degrees, but it was in the 30s majority of the day. Me and Rennie was out here freezing. But other than that, everything's good. Everything's kosher. The car nice and clean. Windows, wheels. Only thing I can say the biggest issue is trying to find the better rags to clean my windows, because I'm not sure what's going on, but they're having little issues cleaning my windows and stuff. But I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, park it, give her keys, and call it a day. I want everybody to hit that subscribe button, hit them likes, hit them follows. And like always, man, I'll see y'all later in this detailed world, day 46. Looking forward to day 47 and many more to come. So I'll catch everybody. Y'all stay blessed.